Hello guys, welcome to the EHS Mentor. In this video, we will discuss about safety policy. I will try to cover maximum topic about safety policy. Here we will discuss what is safety policy, why is a safety policy required, what does a safety policy include, who prepares the safety policy, who signs the safety policy, sample of safety policy. I will show the sample of safety policy, how it looks like and how you can write. Review and update of the safety policy. We will know when to review and when to update the safety policy. So these all topics will be covered in this single video. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So we will start from what is safety policy. Here is a simple definition. A safety policy is a written promise by a factory to keep workers safe and healthy at work. Means safety policy written document. In this document, an employer or an owner of factory write a promise in written form that he will take care of his workers' health and safety at work. So safety policy outlines what the factory will do to protect workers, who is responsible for safety, and how safety will be managed. These all 3 points we will cover in this video. Now next, why is the safety policy required? Why we need safety policy? It's a legal requirement. If you read the Factory Act 1948, Section 7A, there clearly mentioned that an employer should have safety policy in a written form. Other states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, they have also factory rules where it is mentioned if the worker more than 50 in any company, in any industry, there should be a written safety policy. Now we will know what does safety policy include. If you want to write a safety policy, this part is very important for you. Here you can complete safety policy in 3 parts. First one is commitment, second responsibilities, and third safety measures. So what is commitment? A statement by the employer to keep workplace safe and free from health risk, as we seen in the definition. Now responsibilities. Define who is responsible for safety, such as factory owner, overall responsibility for safety, manager, supervisor ensuring workers follow safety rules, workers following safety rules and using PPEs. So this is the first and second part. Third part, safety measure. General steps the factory will take to ensure safety, such as regular safety training, provide and ensuring the use of PPEs, conducting inspection and audit, having emergency procedure in place. So safety policy can be prepared in this 3 parts. We will show in the sample also. Now who will prepare the safety policy? Here we will know who will prepare the safety policy. The safety policy should be prepared by factory management with inputs from the occupier, the safety officer and the department head. These all 3 persons will be prepare the safety policy by the factory management. Now who will sign the safety policy? Anyone who is responsible for overall safety, such as factory owner, senior executive, managing director, they will sign on the safety policy because this is their statement. Now we will see a safety policy sample. Here is the safety policy sample. On the top of policy, there will be company name and heading health and safety policy, and then commitment by the management and by the company that they will protect the workers' health and safety at workplace. Now what will they do to achieve this goal? They have to mention there, such as provide safe working condition, regular inspection, provide PPEs, conduct regular safety training and the immediate corrective action. In the last they have to sign, means the owner and the occupier will sign this policy who is the committing this statement.